This is an Atwood home by Wardcraft Homes. It's 1370 square foot with 3 bedrooms and 2 baths. And you're looking at classic rustic beech cabinets with Charleston doors and a Mocha stain. You can choose a different island here if you like. We do have a different one on our floor plan page that you can choose from. And off to the left there, notice the drawers. There are 4 drawn into this plan. Please pay attention when you order your plan what you may prefer here. Go through the video, stop it, decide. Do you want 2 drawers that are super deep there, 3 drawers? What best suits your individual needs? You can, of course, choose your own sink here. That one is standard. Here we're going to spin around to the island looking at the other side and choose drawers versus doors in this space also. Here we have mountain trim over the doors and the windows. Everything is shipped loose, so you'll see a lot of things. And this home was in production at the time in the factory. This is a half wall with a Craftsman end cap. Now we're going to step into bedroom number 2, which is 10'1" by 9'9". You'll see 1 window there, but you do have an option for 2. Those are bypass doors. This is going to be a raised linen cabinet. As you have the stairs going underneath it, that's why it's raised in that spot. You can choose to have shelving inserted in here or a pole, single pole to hang clothes. We're going to go into bathroom number 1 here. And behind that door, you actually do have a small linen space. This is a 30-inch vanity. Pay attention to this mirror. It's wood wrapped, which looks phenomenal for a very cheap cost. Or you can choose to just have a regular mirror there. Our onyx sinks, you can choose white inside, the same color as the sink, up to you. Going to go into bedroom number 3 here, which is 9'11" by 9'6", and it has some built-in shelving. You can choose to have a desk there, no built-in shelving. That is, of course, completely up to you. And again, decide whether you want 1 or 2 windows there. Here you have your laundry. This is actually a lot of cabinet space for a laundry. Very nice. This will be just inside your garage. And as you walk out, off to your left there, you would have an option for built-in cubbies. We're going to swing into the pantry now. You'll see melamine shelving, though you could choose to have oak or alder in this space. This is at the end of the hallway from your kitchen. And now we're going to go off to the master, which is 14 foot 3 inches by 11 foot 6 inches. Bypass doors there, again pointing out the mountain trim. Inside that closet, you could choose to decide to have double poles if you wanted to. And on this wall, you could choose to have our 3 windows above your bed. We'll swing into the master bathroom now. Small linen. Double sinks. You could choose to have 1 and have more space there. Wood wrap mirror. And this is a standard shower, but you could choose to have an onyx-based shower in this spot. You could also choose to have a walk-in shower, and even one with a bench would fit here. Moen Gibson faucets, which is our standard. As you go into the closet here, note what you might like. Do you want the shelving to go all the way up? Do you like the double poles and the single pole? What would your preference be? All of our items ship loose with the home. This is what you're seeing here.